Alright, this time we're trying -8 on the gain. Turn the noise reduction off. We've had some weird, like, hall sounds when I was testing it a while ago. So, we'll see if this changes anything. Like, for the most part, it sounded pretty good. You know, I could hear my voice pretty well. Start off, we're going to be doing about 70. Of course, I got a big honking windshield on this thing, so still get plenty of wind on it, though. We are recording, that's good. Probably wouldn't hurt to find somewhere a little bit better. Put this dead cat. Right now, it's like right in my mouth. It would probably like go to jail if it did this in certain states. It's just wrong. Alright, we're doing 75. This is a 65 mile an hour speed zone, so I'm not quite being punk rock today. Breaking the law, breaking the law. Yeah. Oh shit. Wait, was that the place? Somewhere right here has been like the world's longest yard sale. Like, these people have had a table with the same 7, I think it was right back there. They've had the same like 7 or 8 things sitting on that table since I was in high school. You know, I'm like 30, no, what am I, 37? What was this, 2020? Yeah, I'm 37. I'm pretty sure. I think I'll be 38 in June. They've had the same like 7 things sitting on this fucking table in their yard. They never picked them up and took them inside. There's just a for sale sign out there. So every time I would come by here with somebody, I always tell everybody it was the world's longest yard sale. And somewhere, speaking of high school, somewhere up here, we were playing cards and drinking beer. I was about 15 years old. And we were at this one dude's house, you know, having a good time. We heard like these drums and shit coming through. Oh, no, there it is. They've still got shit out there. So it still is the world's longest yard sale. But we went outside to smoke, and we heard like these drums and these people chanting like through the woods. And one of the guys that was up there with us, everybody called him Seaball. I think his name was like Christopher or something. Everybody called him Cannonball because he's a big old guy. And it got shortened down to Seaball. Seaball was fucking hammered, right? So we hear all these drums and shit, and everybody's like, "Man, what is that? You know, oh, we don't know." And Seaball's drunk ass is like, "You know what? I'm gonna go check it out." And we're all like, "Dude, I don't know. You know, ain't no telling what you're gonna run into." And he's like, "No, fuck that. Sounds like a good time." So fast forward like an hour and a half later, and this dude has not come back. And these drums, these people chanting are just like getting louder. And you know, we're all like, "What in the fuck happened to Seaball?" So the other 5 or 6 of us like took off, and we had to walk our asses through the woods to make sure that he didn't, you know, get eaten or something. And we get over there, and it was a bunch of Wiccans, and it was like Earth Day or something, and they were doing like some type of Mother Earth, Father Sky celebration. Kind of, I don't know, it was kind of a weird thing, especially for this, I guess this part of Georgia. You wouldn't expect to see something like that. But I don't know. We went over there and hung out. They weren't drinking or anything. I think they were probably smoking some drugs. But yeah, it was different. So okay, well, maybe this audio turns out good. So I'll probably make a little video out of it, just to rub it in Mark's face. Be like, look who's got good audio now, motherfucker. Ha ha ha.